Hey there, wonderful people. Today, we're soaring high as we take a deep dive into the top 5 best 8K GPS drones available. Whether you're an avid drone photographer or just someone who loves capturing breathtaking aerial views, these drones are designed to take your flying experience to the next level. We've put this list together based on various factors, such as ratings, reviews, orders, price, quality, and durability, to ensure you're making the best choice. You'll find all the product links in the description below, so feel free to check them out. Number 5, we have the WDSZKMYF 8K GPS drone. This drone is equipped with an impressive 50x optical zoom, perfect for capturing stunning close-ups from high in the sky. Its 4K HD camera, which can record in 8K resolution, ensures your footage is crystal clear. Weighing only 260 grams, it's incredibly lightweight and easy to fly. With a flight time of 28 minutes, you'll have plenty of time to capture breathtaking footage. The drone also offers a transmission range of 2.7 kilometers, allowing you to explore vast areas. Its omnidirectional sensing system ensures stable flight, making it great for both beginners and pros. This drone is ideal for anyone looking for professional quality aerial shots. Number 4, we have the Vesmatity P15 8K GPS drone. This drone is a step up, featuring 8K video resolution and a 48 megapixel camera for sharp, detailed images. With a maximum altitude of 5,000 meters and a flight time of up to 35 minutes, you'll be able to capture incredible views from great heights. It also has an impressive 8,000-meter remote range, allowing you to capture footage from far distances. The drone's RTK module ensures real-time kinematic positioning, which provides high accuracy and smooth footage. It's perfect for anyone who wants precision and high-quality imagery. Plus, its compact design makes it easy to carry on any adventure. The P15 is an excellent choice for anyone seeking professional-grade drone performance. Number 3, we have the GISAEV P11 Pro 8K GPS drone. This drone offers versatile recording capabilities, with both 8K video and 4K HD video options. Weighing in at 400 grams, it's a perfect balance between portability and performance. It offers a solid flight time of 28 minutes, giving you ample time to get the perfect shot. The remote range extends up to 10 kilometers, making it ideal for exploring large areas. The GPS functionality ensures that your drone stays stable and secure during flight. With its 4-channel control, this drone is simple to fly, but delivers excellent results. Whether you're capturing landscapes or filming dynamic action shots, the GISAEV P11 Pro is up to the task. Number 2 spot is the ELIGIPORT 8K GPS drone. Despite its lightweight design at just 196 grams, this drone doesn't compromise on quality. It can record 4K HD video, providing sharp and vibrant footage. With a remote control range of 2 kilometers, it's perfect for those who want a reliable drone for short to medium range flights. The drone's FPV operation allows you to view real-time footage as you fly, which is great for framing your shots. It offers a flight time of 22 minutes, enough to capture stunning aerial views. The GPS functionality keeps the drone stable and secure in flight. It's a fantastic choice for hobbyists or anyone who wants a reliable drone with excellent video capabilities. Finally, at number 1, we have the LS 8K GPS drone. This drone comes with a powerful 8K HD camera that ensures top-tier video quality for your aerial shots. Despite its 600 grams weight, it offers exceptional control and stability during flight. It has a flight time of 22 minutes, which is perfect for capturing footage without worrying about battery life. With a wide array of features like real-time video streaming and a simple remote control system, this drone is ideal for capturing professional-grade footage. It's compact yet powerful, making it a great choice for anyone serious about drone photography. The LS 8K GPS drone is perfect for both hobbyists and professionals alike. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more exciting reviews and updates on the latest products.